Do you know many people are having trouble with their Samsung monitors displaying a blank screen? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check power. Ensure that the monitor and computer are switched on and check that all power cables are firmly connected. Step 2. Run self-test. Turn off both the monitor and computer, disconnect the video cable, and turn the monitor back on to check for a check signal cable message. Step 3. Inspect cables. Inspect both ends of the video cable for secure connections and visible damage. Replace if necessary. Step 4. Test another device. Connect your monitor to a different computer or device to see if the screen works correctly. Step 5. Check computer. Look into possible issues with the computer's video controller or graphics card and reboot the computer. By following these steps, your Samsung monitor should no longer show a blank screen. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Samsung users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.